Hello everyone. This video is to tell about Google's Nano Banana, a recently released image editing model in Gemini. And Nano Banana is just a code name. The actual model name is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. Okay. It is claiming that it is world's top rated image editing model in the world. Okay. But they provided a lot of samples in this blog post. Okay, but when I tested it from this Google AI Studio, it's not that much good. Okay, so already it has image editing options, right? So they improved it a bit further. That's true. But still, when I asked to create like a image with this photo, it created something entirely different kind of stuff. Okay, but when I asked to remove it, it's able to remove it seamlessly. That is better. And I asked to remove these old icons and replace with the actual one for promoting my website rajamanikam.com. It did that. Okay, it's useful only, but it's not that much extraordinary as claimed by Google. Okay, if you are exploring this, share your experience. Okay, and here they provided many samples, and the samples are looking good. Okay, so here especially this one, they're calling it as multi-turn editing, right? So here just we can start with like simply this room, then we can like do the painting, and then like include the rag, and then add the sofa. Step by step we can do. Then mat. Okay, so then coffee table. So it's a good thing, right? It will be remembering the old things. We have to just tell about the additional thing. Need not recreate from the scratch. Okay. So that way it is good. Okay. Just explore that. You can do it from Google AI Studio. AI Studio, that option is there. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. You can choose that, and you can use from here. Or if you are a regular Gemini user, better here itself we can choose create images. Okay, so the banana icon is there, right? Here you can ask it to create. Maybe I will ask it to create thumbnail image for this video. Create a thumbnail image for the video about Google Nano Banana. But the aspect ratio is not suitable, right? Let us ask it to change the aspect ratio, but still it's showing the same dimension thing, right? So that's what I'm telling. So it's not that much accurate, but it's okay. The clarity, I have gone through various samples through social media postings. A lot of people are saying that it's useful. Share your experience. Okay, let us see. Okay, thanks. Bye. If you are looking for a good AI course to learn about AI basics, RAG, AI agents, MCP, that kind of stuff, you can check the link in the description of the video to get my AI course with a huge discount offer. Okay, thanks.